Hello everyone, my name is Patricia Medina. I'm working on this campaign called Say No to Animal Abuse. This campaign is about protecting animals and sharing a clear message. Abuse is never okay. I want to thank young people, family, and pet owners. Please listen to my video and learn to how you can help the animal. Purpose of the campaigns. The purpose of the campaign is to raise awareness about animals abuse and to encourage people to treat animals with kindness and respect. Many animals suffer in silence, hurt, abandoned, or ignored. I want to share honest information the reality of this problem. My goal is to create a strong message that helps people understand how serious this issue is and learn how to help. Animals are not objects. They feel pain, fear, and sadness. This campaign is clear and serious message. Say no animals abuse. Target audience. My campaign is directed at young people and students who are curious and open to learning, family, especially parents who want to teach their children to be kind, pet owners who need to understand the responsibility of caring for animals, the general public, because everyone can help stop abuse. I will communicate with people in a friendly and clear way using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Key message. Animals have feelings. Treat them with kindness. Abuse is no discipline, it's violence. Speak up if you see abuse, reporting. Adult, don't abandon. Say no to shame, canes, and pain. Problem and solution. The problem, animal abuse, is a serious issue in our society. Many animals are hurt, left alone, or used in cruel way. Some people misconstrue discipline and end up hurting their pets. Others simply ignore their needs. This causes pain, fear, and even death. The solution, I propose a video campaign that uses strong visual, real story, and clear message to educate and inspire change. I will show that abuse look like, explain why it's wrong, and share way to help. My campaign will be meticulous, kind, and small, designated to elite, empathy, and action.